up with a cut of only around 10 points as per what pre-open is suggesting. SGX Nifty was suggesting a 40 to around a 50-point downtake. In the next few seconds, we'll have the initial rates that should come up for you on the screen, and there are a lot of stocks that are moving around. So first off the blocks, the Nifty, well, we're almost moved into the green actually in the first minute itself. So whatever, measly dip you got, well, that got bought into, but we'll have to wait for the next half an hour to around an hour odd to see a better trend out there. What's gaining? Cipla is up by close to around 0.5%. ONGC is up close to around 0.5%. No big mover out there. Wipro is down close to around 0.7%. So on the Nifty pack itself, I don't think there is any stock that's moved more than 1% in either direction. So yeah, for the time being though, the number of gainers are more than the number of losers. So that's why the Nifty is up close to around 30 points odd. From the broader markets, a couple of stocks are moving up. Ami Organics, we had a large trade that took place yesterday. Well, that stock is flying away. It's up close to around 5 to around 6%. We have these rail-oriented stocks. They continue to do well. So IRFC, the stock is up 5%. You have RVNL. That stock as well is higher in today's trading session. A couple of other notable winners. Bikaji, one-way mover. From the time it's listed, it's given big returns. Today as well, it's up close to around 2.5% odd. The mid-cap index, well, you have more number of gainers than losers. The breadth of the market is in favor of the number of stocks that are advancing. Close to around 4 stocks advancing for just one stock that's declining. From the broader markets, though, Nimesh just highlighted that downgrade on Laurus Labs. The stock is open up with a cut of close to around 4%, so keep an eye out on that. And NBCC, they won an order, so they're up close to 4.5%. Rima, what else?
Well, Paytm is also higher in trade after CLSA upgraded the stock, but the target price remains unchanged. But Paytm is open with a gain of about 3%. A couple of other stocks in the news like Lupin, Lumax, these have gains of about 1.5%. Viatech Wabag, a stock, the company that we chatted with earlier yesterday, was up 5%. It's added on another 2%. The company is very confident about the outlook of the second half of the year, which will be aided by the execution of the Russian order finally, and margins too will improve in the second half, aided by the decline that we've seen in commodity prices. NDTV is up close to about 5%. IRFC has gained 5.5%. Very strong volumes at that. Couple of these sugar names like Ugar Sugar has a gain of close to about 5%. Vedanta has gone, I think, ex-dividend today. I think it's gone ex-dividend. So that explains the 4% cut that we are seeing on Vedanta today.
All right, 40 points. I mean, so this is, traditional, right? I mean, outperformance at with whatever may be the situation overnight. I mean, the market does what it is doing, which is being solidly higher. 18,594, almost back at new highs. 18,614 is the new high, which was made yesterday. That was the highest point before the market came off a little bit. A few other names. RVNL, I think we mentioned 5% is the top traded name volume-wise. We, by the way, have the management of RVNL joining us a little later. It's up 100% this month. IRFC is up 6%. So these rail stocks are continuing their up move very strongly. Paytm and Bikaji we mentioned. Lupin is up 2.33% higher. There is Fusion, which is, I think, the recent listing, 3.5% higher on that one, 388. NBCC we mentioned. Ami Organics is up 4%, 978 on Ami Organics. NCC starting slightly higher. So that's the broader markets at this point. 3:1. Too early, I mean, I guess, to draw any conclusions based off the market breadth, but it starts very positively right now. Laurus, of course, is down almost 5% now. So that's something we mentioned earlier. BPCL is down 1%. And there is MSTC, which is starting about 1% lower in terms of trade. So this is the open. TVS Motor is down 1% as well. So that's the lay of the land. Some up, some down, but more up than down, as has been the case for a while now.